Happy Friday, modern language students. Today is our last day together. We are going to wrap up French today with your final ChatterKids video. I do want to go through these vocabulary words again, so please follow along as I go through these vocabulary words. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit, salut, au revoir, ciao, à bientôt, comment vous appelez-vous? Je m'appelle, d'où venez-vous? Je suis de, comment allez-vous? Je suis fantastique, très bien, comme ci, comme ça, très mal, fâché, fatigué, malade. Vous avez quel âge? J'ai un. Quand est ton anniversaire? Mon anniversaire est le de. Et vous? Moi aussi. Je suis désolé. All right, as I mentioned earlier, today we are going to be wrapping up with ChatterKids. You're going to be making your second video today. You're going to be answering 3 new questions today. Your 3 questions today are, first, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Now, when you go to answer the question, comment allez-vous, there's 2 parts to it. You first need to start your answer off with je suis, and then choose an emotion from down below. Okay? So, for example, I could say today, je suis fantastique. Okay? So, first question, comment allez-vous? You're going to start your answer off with je suis and then choose an emotion from below. Your second question is, vous avez quel âge? Vous avez quel âge? You're going to be using this sentence here to answer it. You've got to fill in the blank, though, with the number for how old you are. Please make sure you say the number in French. So, for example, if I wanted to say that I am 10, I would say j'ai 10 ans. Okay? If you're 11, j'ai 11 ans. 12, j'ai 12 ans. Okay? And your third and final question is your birthday. Quand est ton anniversaire? So I've given you an example down below of how to answer that. For example, my birthday is January 27th. So if you look down below, I would say, mon anniversaire est le 27 de janvier. Okay? So you are going to take out my information and make it your own, and that will be your answer for your last question. So you will say mon anniversaire est le, then you need to fill in the number of the day that you were born. Mine is the 27th, so you can see it down below, 27. And then you would say the, and then your month. And mine is January, so I have in janvier. If you need more examples of how to answer these questions, I would recommend that you guys go back and open up that French conversation partners activity. If you guys look in those dialogues there, those 2 conversations, there are some examples as to how to answer all of these questions. If you want to see it written out, if maybe that might help you. If you guys still have questions about it, please let me know. I am happy to help. I love to hear from you guys. And I just wanted to wrap up this video really quickly by saying thank you guys so much. You've done an amazing job this quarter, and I really appreciate you guys hanging in there with me and being patient as we kind of went on this adventure together. You guys have been fantastic, and I really am thankful that I got to have you guys in class. I'm really sorry that we didn't get to meet under normal circumstances, and I hope that you guys all have a wonderful summer. So please be in touch if you need anything over this next week or so, and you guys take care.